Hey guys, welcome back to the training. So the last video we explored 3 websites, 3 platforms for writers that I believe will be best for beginners or would even be good for anyone as far as you are capable of writing. So today we're actually going to start writing. We're going to actually write something. So how are we going to write this? We're going to be needing tools that will be able to give us the ability to write seamlessly. And for the first tool, we're going to use Canva. So what are we going to use Canva for? We're going to be using it to format the written material, and we're also going to be using it to design our cover. The second one is Grammarly. We're going to use it, obviously, for correct grammar. Then the next one is Duplichecker. We're going to be using it to check for plagiarism. So make sure that our work is original and not copyrighted. Okay. So the next one is AIPRM chatgpt Chrome extension for keywords and ideas, because we already generated our idea from ChatGPT bots. We're going to use this one because it is made specifically for writers, content writers, like basically everything writers. Now, the 5th one is character count. So most of those websites that we explored, it gave us a threshold of the number of words we are going to be needing in our body text before we actually submit for a contract. And so that's why we're going to use character count to count the words, the number of words in our body text. The next one is Ghostwriter AI, and don't mind the spelling, that's actually how it is. It is for the writing. It's going to help us very well with the writing. It's specifically made for writing. The next one is Quillbot AI. It is for paraphrasing. Paraphrasing, to just change the words for us and make sure that we are not copying any other writer. So let's get right into it. So what I need you to do is to go to your Microsoft, that's Edge, or you go to your Chrome browser. If you're using your phone, you should go to your Chrome browser. If you're using laptop, you can also use your Chrome browser. You can use your Microsoft. And then you search for AIPRM ChatGPT extension. When you search for it, it will lead you here. And when you see this, I've already installed mine. That's why. So because if I press down to remove it, so I've already installed it. So you just click on here and then you install it. Before you install it, make sure that your ChatGPT is already open. So when your ChatGPT is already open, when you install it, when you install this AIPRM for ChatGPT, your ChatGPT will then look like this. Okay? Your ChatGPT will then look like this. It will have these other things. And these are just helping you, giving you prompts that will help you in your writing. Okay, so the next one is that you're going to search Microsoft again. You can use Microsoft Edge or Chrome, any browser, Chrome or Microsoft Edge. And then it is an extension, or you download the app. When you download it, it is going to show you something like this. It's going to show you something that will be hovering around. Because we are not yet writing, okay, look at it. Something like this. It's going to show you something like this. It's going to show you this one, not the whole thing, just this thing. It's going to show you something like that. That's when you download it. That's when you are ready to start writing. Now, next thing I need you to open, you should be keeping tabs of all these things. Just open it and just keep tabs because you'll be using all of them frequently. Now, the next thing I need to open is this Ghostwriter. Just search for Ghostwriter with this exact spelling. And then at this side, you'll be required to log in. But I already have an account. That is why it's showing this. At this side, there'll be something like a blue login. So you just click it and then you enter. You can log in with your Google, or you can just log in normally. The next one is the Quillbot. We'll be using it for paraphrasing, to change the wording so it will not be the same as everyone's own. So that is what this Quillbot is going to be used for. When you enter, you wouldn't be seeing this. So you'll be clicking on these 3 lines up here. When you click on it, you then see this and you click on the paraphraser. You'll be seeing other things here, but if you're using the free version, is only the paraphraser and some other things that you can access. You can't access the other ones. So you just click on it and then you have this interface. The next one is the Duplichecker. This one is a plagiarism checker. We're going to be using it to make sure that our work is unique and not copied from another person or work. So you just search for Duplichecker and then you click on it. Now the next one is the characters counter. Make sure you search for this one. There's a lot that will come. There'll be a lot that will come up, but look for this exact one because this one will give you the exact details that you need to know about that your work. So this one is basically the best for this job. Now, I need you to basically go to your Canva, okay? Go to your Canva and create a design. Press on create a design. When you press on create design, you're going to look for US letter. And you're going to be seeing this. So you can basically click on anyone. This is the size of the story. So we're going to be using this to create our cover and also be using it for our novel because this is the size of paper that will be used. Okay, so I'm going to cut this video because I don't want it to be too long. So in the next video, we'll actually be writing, looking for ideas, and we'll make use of all these other tools that we just opened.